How to delete Netflix search history. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your search history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete your Netflix search history, you have to go ahead and first of all launch the Netflix app. Now it depends upon where is the search history that you're talking about, because if you really understand Netflix doesn't keep track of your search history. You might be telling that if I just tap the search option from here and then you're seeing all this, these are not your search history. These are basically the top searches not made by you but by the people around your locality, which means that people around your region is also watching the similar show and they're searching for it, and that's why it is top searches. But it is not your personal search history because Netflix doesn't keep a track of those. The only thing Netflix keeps a track of is basically your continue watching series. So if you scroll down here, you can say continue watching. You can remove it by tapping the three dots and then tapping on the option called remove from row. But as I said earlier, if you tap the search button here, you can notice that this is not our search history. Look properly, it says top searches, and these are not the searches you made but the searches the people around you made. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.